Morning, namaste, welcome to our vlog. Just woke up some time back, and for a change, I'm doing some gardening work as soon as I got up. As in, I have few things to finish and all, but yeah, a little bit of gardening work and things like that. I have someone coming at my premises to do the cleaning of solar waters heater that I have. You should have done. I'm like, I usually do it every. There's no water. Okay. Usually, you should do it every 2 years or 1 year minimum, but I am doing it after 3 years, considering that I don't have enough of time to do it. But doesn't get spoiled, nothing, just need to be clean. It's a little bit moist and thin the entire. And yes, in solar, you have a rod, a magnesium rod, I guess, I'm not so sure, which needs to be changed, otherwise, the cooling will not happen up to the mark. Let me go inside and make some coffee for myself and then come out again and then do it, because without energy you're not able to do anything. Nothing was made. I had my breakfast by around 11:30, and soon after that I was thinking to eat something, but I didn't eat much. I did some household work and things like that. Aarti and Ira both are there playing. We ordered biryani, we just finished it. I want to go out, but I just saw it is raining. See this lady. What is she up to? Playing with her toys, which is all wet. Why are you playing with your wet toys? You like to wet it? You'll get cold. What are you doing yoga? Yeah, but what are you doing yoga? Double doing yoga. Watching. बड़ा सब योगा तुझे एक्सरसाइज.
The beach toy so you can make it.
Okay, good.
Who's doing like this? And the yoke.
Hmm.
One is sitting on the face,
Hmm.
looking, not looking up, and one is looking besides you.
Okay, great.
This girl is looking there, she's looking in the beach.
Okay.
Peso, peso. Oh, hi.
The concerned solar guy didn't come up from morning, and when I called him up twice, he said he's coming at 5 o'clock, and in another 5 minutes there's going to be 5 o'clock. I made myself a cup of coffee. Aarti, Ira, both are sleeping on top. I have no idea when they're going to come and wake up and things like that. At the same time, I started watching Breaking Bad season 2. I was just watching all old things. Maybe trying to figure out what new things are there to see. Um, I'm waiting for eager for Mirzapur, and yes, let's have my coffee, which is already done, ready over here, and the TV is right over there. I hope it comes. It's going to be 5 o'clock, another 5 minutes, and let's see what it does. Ira's time pass with what are you eating? What is this? Moong dal you're eating. Good life of yours. Yours is done. Mine is not done. I have to see. But you enjoy your. Where's Mama? But let her come. You enjoy. Someone is doing her studies. Let us see. What are you studying, Ira? What are you studying? Se anar. What is that? T se tomato.
Tomato.
Tomato. T se tomato. Not tomato. What Mama? It's okay. No, no. Let me see what Mama is doing. She has made some pulao, I guess. My biryani is there. What? You did? Nice. Ira, sing. आजा मेरी गाड़ी में बैठ जा लॉन्ग ड्राइव जाएंगे खाना पकाएंगे क्या पक रहा है सॉन्ग सांगो किधर है we are watching the new movie of Kareena Kapoor. I forgot the name. Jan. So was watching that, but they're still down doing chit chatting. I have come on top. Sorry for the light not being there. Oops. So I've got in my room. You can see me from the wind mirror. I've got in and oops, my bad. I have few things over here and the place is a mess because my so-called bai is not coming. The maid is not coming. She's not well and things like that. There's the thing. I want to sit in my office and do some work, but Aarti has bought the laptop down to work for herself. So I don't know whether I should work or not. If she comes early on top, then yes, hopefully I'll able to work. I have some last few retouching work and things like that. And that's it. Let me clean this entire mess that you can see down over here. It's messy because of Ira. I'm not blaming her, it's a child that she'll do. Let me clean. You guys have a nice day. We just want to good night. Just want to go and sleep. Just want to say good night and chop chop.